Whether on-site or remotely, with the help of our augmented reality solution, ServiceAR, it is possible to train maintenance, safety, and production processes using AR workflows and navigation. Simply launch the application via the browser. The WebMode allows companies to deliver training and onboarding around the globe, an interactive training that enables employees to familiarize themselves with tasks, equipment, and procedures in a safe and controlled setting. Based on the same content, the training can also be undergone on-site using a cell phone or tablet. In actual emergencies, the search function can quickly and reliably show the shortest route to the nearest emergency exit or intercom. In addition, graphics, such as emergency exit signs, can be displayed. ServiceAR is an excellent tool for quick and targeted training of new work processes and safety routines, on-site or remotely. ServiceAR. Improve productivity and efficiency of your workforce.